guys, welcome to my channel. Wow, I made it through my first talking video. As nerve-wracking as it was, I did it, yay! So I thought I would give it another shot. I have been watching a lot of embellishment swap videos on YouTube while crafting myself. It looks like so much fun, and they have all done gorgeous and amazing work. And the presentation of all the bag toppers and packaging are just stunning. And I would love to join a future swap if time permits. One unboxing I saw on PricklyPinkCrafters channel from GinaUtley. I hope I said that right. It was absolutely beautiful. I was so inspired, I just had to give it a go. So here's my jelly tote, jam-packed with lots of pretty ephemera and decorated bag toppers. It's not part of a challenge or a swap. It's just something I wanted to make for myself. I really like how Gina used acetate between the layers of the bag to make it more sturdy. And anyway, let's get started. I have made this set from my Midnight Anemones paper and ephemera collection that I have designed in these stunning purples and lilacs and gold. So in here we have my shaker, little wand, then we have a beautiful bag top, laid it 3 times, and then put some tulle under the butterfly and used a little chipboard heart that I coloured with Sharpie marker. And this is just a card set. And in this one is some flourish die cuts. Again, another beautiful bag topper. And this is a little shrink plastic butterfly. I punched it out into shrink plastic, coloured it with pastel chalks, and then heat shrunk it, and then lifted the hello up onto some foam. Just looks so pretty. And then on this one is the smaller version of this banner with a handmade flower and just some layered paper flowers, and put some stamens in the center, some seed beads, some frills, and more stamens in that one, and just coloured a little embellishment in with gold and added it to the center of that one. And then this is my memory decks card. I've just die cut the doily. This is just a paper doily, and added a rosette. So in here is my memory decks card with some faux jumbo paper clips and a little stitched border frame. Oh, it's not going to go back in there. And then this one is the ruffle trim and one of my butterflies. And this one is a decorated paper clip using some different lace and trims, and a doily, another chipboard heart with added some paper with Mod Podge and put it on a paper clip. And some wax seals, some more ephemera from the collection, and just the little bead dangle, no, ribbon dangle with this gorgeous little butterfly charm. And then on the back is the jumbo paper clip with the layered butterfly, and it just hangs off the side. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.